peeps! Welcome back to my channel! So, eto na nga. We have a 27-hour layover. Grabe, halos isang buong araw yun. And this is our first time flying with Scoot. Honestly, it didn't disappoint. On time yung flight, tapos surprisingly good yung legroom. Lalo na for a budget airline. So far, so good. So, what could we possibly do in a 27-hour layover? Of course, we will try local food. Kasama talaga yan palagi. So, stay tuned kasi isn't just about killing time. It's about making the most out of it. Kaya, tara, let's! Ayan, so for haggard na ang person. Wala pa kasing tamang tulog. We arrive at Changi Airport around 11 a.m. So, we decided to grab a quick bite muna sa Yakon Kaya Toast before proceeding sa aming hotel. Since we want to explore din the airport. Ito nga pala yung mga in-order namin and yung mga conversion into peso. Medyo mahal nga lang siya pero nandito na kasi tayo so let's make the most out of it. So our first stop, Rain Vortex in Jewel Changi. This is the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Sobrang ganda niya and sobrang worth it makita in person. Sobrang lakas na nung ulan sa labas kaya nag-decide na kami na pumunta sa hotel namin para makapag-freshen up na rin. Tapos, maset na namin kung ano yung mga plans namin for today since we will be staying here for a day only. We decided to take MRT papunta sa hotel namin. Sobrang efficient naman ng transpo dito sa Singapore. And good news, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng EasyLink card kung ayaw mo. Kasi you can use your contactless credit card or debit card para sa mga transpo nila. No need na mag-tap up, tap and go ka na lang. Perfect to para sa kagaya namin na short stay lang or layover lang. Welcome to our hotel! I booked this hotel via Agoda and nakuha namin siya around 10,000. Medyo mahal siya kasi ito yung time na magko-concert si Lady Gaga. So talagang medyo nagmahal yung mga hotel nun. Just a fun fact, nag-book talaga kami ng may mahabang layover time just to explore Singapore. Sayang din kasi na-offer na ng Scoot, so ginrab na namin yung opportunity since pare-parehas naman kami na hindi pa nakakarating ng Singapore. Tapos, ito naman yung view namin sa hotel. Maganda yung location ng hotel namin kasi malapit siya sa mga tourist spots. Kagaya ng Merlion statue at saka yung hawker center, yung Lau Fasat. Ayan, lakas kasi ng ulan. Mata? Kamarang pa yan ay balik. Mapay? Bukod sa mga MRT cards, nagko-collect din ako ng mga Starbucks card. To try local food naman, we decided to eat in Lau Pasat. Actually, marami namang ibang hawker center sa Singapore. Pero ito yung napili namin since ito yung pinakamalapit sa hotel namin and halos lahat ng gusto namin kainin is nandito din naman. Yummers! Sarap! Uy! Maanghang ah! Gagawin ko ang sausaw. Ay, gamit. Pa. Mga disabled. Tara. Another travel tip, guys. Merong direct MRT station na ang bababaan nyo na mismo is sa Gardens by the Bay. So, wag nyo kaming gayahin kasi nakalimutan namin yun. So, nilakad namin magmula dun sa Lau Fasad papunta dito sa Gardens by the Bay.
Bayad doon. Sabi kasi may bayad yung white house.
So, to complete our Singapore experience, we decided to have dinner sa Jumbo Seafood. They are famous for their Singaporean chili crabs. Honestly, it didn't wow me. Okay lang yung sauce. Pero yung crabs, grabe, sobrang taba and sobrang sarap. Sobrang fresh niya.
Beef lang daw. Okay lang. Harap.
quick 7-Eleven run lang para bumili ng breakfast bukas since wala namang breakfast dun sa hotel namin. And maaga yung flight namin tomorrow papunta sa Hanoi.
The next day.
Hindi ko kaya pala mabigat. Kanan pa talaga yung ginamit ko.
Ganda naman.
Mabigat.
Parang wala yung pin mo.
Time now is 11:39 a.m. in the morning with a reported ground temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. With air traffic permitting, we are looking at landing 10 minutes plus noon in the afternoon. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly Scoot, and we hope to see you again on one of our flights in the near future. Have a pleasant morning. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival.
Bababa na tayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hanoi Noi Bai International Airport. Please note that there is a 1-hour time difference between Singapore and Hanoi, and the local time now is 12:25 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments, and remember to take all your belongings with you. Please note that the usage of portable chargers and power